Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook app not updating news feed. So, I will provide you several solutions that will guide you on how to resolve the issue on Facebook newsfeed not loading as well as the comments. So, there are various reasons why the problem occurs with your Facebook app, and each reason is tied to a solution that you can try. Method 1 is verifying your internet connection. One of the most common reasons why your Facebook newsfeed not updating is an unstable internet connection. The first step you should do is to check and ensure a stable internet connection. Restart your modem or router, or try disconnecting from the internet and restarting it. So, after doing this, check for other apps and sites if you browse successfully. After this, check if YouTube is working properly or not. Then try to log into your Facebook and see if the newsfeed is updating or not. Now, if your problem is still persisting, method 2 is manual refresh of the Facebook app newsfeed. Sometimes, even if you have a strong internet connection, the problem lies in the Facebook app. On your device, you can just navigate to Facebook and try to refresh it by scrolling down. So scroll down and you will see this small icon. Make sure you refresh it and see if it works or not. Now, method 3 is check if Facebook is down. You might not notice, but it could be possibly the problem that Facebook newsfeed is not updating because Facebook servers are down. So, if you're seeing a message saying Facebook will be back soon, that means the server is down and Facebook is making an improvement to the database. While this process won't affect your account, you temporarily won't be able to access the site. So, wait for some time and then check if your problem still persists or not. Now, method 4 is force a start or relaunch the Facebook app. Most often, just a simple restart of the Facebook app will fix the issue on Facebook newsfeed. So, on your mobile device, go to Settings, in the apps, search for Facebook, click on it. It will open up the app info section where you'll have to simply click on the force stop button, then click on OK again. Now, this will stop the Facebook application. Now, simply launch the Facebook application again to see if your problem is solved or not. Now, method 5 is logging in and out of your Facebook account. Simply navigate to your Facebook application, click on your profile icon at the top right, scroll down, click on Logout, click on Logout again. Now, after logging out, you'll have to basically log back into the same account and then try to refresh the feed, and this will instantly solve your problem. If your problem is still persisting, what you'll have to do is clear the Facebook cache and temporary data. In order to do this, click on Settings icon at the top of your screen, then go to the Settings, search for Apps. In the Apps, you'll have to search for Facebook. Then after searching for Facebook, click on the Storage button under Usage. Now, click on Clear Cache button and it will instantly clear any temporary cache that Facebook would have. And this can also instantly solve your problem. Now, if your problem is still persisting, click on the Clear Data, click on Delete, and this will log you out of your account. And make sure you know this, that when you clear the data, it also deletes the information that is stored on your Facebook app. That means you'll have to make sure you remember the credentials before doing this step, that is clearing data. Now, if your problem is still persisting, what you'll have to simply do is navigate to Play Store, click on the search icon, search for Facebook, then click on the Facebook, click on uninstall, select uninstall again, then click on the install button after you uninstall Facebook completely from your mobile phone, and this will clear all the bugs or cache that will have built up for Facebook on your mobile phone, and this will instantly solve your problem. So that's how you fix Facebook app not updating news feed. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.